Anyway, TikTok.
On the clock.
We have a TikTok headline. So TikTok introduces paywalled content. Kind of a trend that we've seen on social media in general is enabling creators to make more exclusive content behind a paywall for smaller audiences. Like Twitter already does that. Instagram actually already does that. And so now TikTok is doing that.
I mean, YouTube does it also.
YouTube, exactly. So I'm just going to read the bullet points here and maybe we have some reactions to it. So it's called Series, which lets creators sell collections of videos that you can purchase. Each collection of videos can have up to 80 videos in them, and those videos can be up to 20 minutes long. So creators can choose the price for the series. They can go between $1 and $190 to charge for their series. At launch, 100% of the revenue goes to creators, minus the App Store and processing fees. And there will be a new series website to publish and track performance. That's it. It's just sell videos behind a paywall within the TikTok platform.
Yeah, packs of videos, which is really interesting.
Yeah, that's way different than what I was expecting.
Yeah, and I mean, I'm assuming that they want it to be unique videos, but I'm wondering if creators would like sell, if they have like a series of videos that they already do, if they're just going to package them and then be like, you can buy. But what does it mean to buy a digital product, especially on TikTok, that you can already look at for free? It would have to be a unique video.
It would have to be a new video. Yeah, maybe you do like a series and you have parts 1 through 8 are for free on your thing, but then parts 9 and 10 are behind the paywall or something like that.
Or you could do like, if you're a cooking TikTok channel or something, you could do like, we're going to do a Thai package and then it's like 20 Thai videos.
Yeah, that's an idea.
Yeah.
I went from seeing the title of this that you posted, thinking this is an awesome idea, to reading this and thinking, I don't think this makes any sense at all.
It's kind of like Quibi.
Really? I mean, so it's up to the creators to decide like what this extra content's going to be. So like when Instagram did this, you can be a paying subscriber or supporter of an Instagram page or whatever, and then there will be specific stories and posts that only paid subscribers see. So it might be similar photography to your other photos, or it might be special, behind the scenes or something, like extra content, whatever. Same thing with YouTube. YouTubers can choose what they want to be just for the paid subscribers.
So that's what I thought this was going to be, but this makes me think it's different now, because when you're saying can charge between $1 to $90 for a series, it makes it seem like you are going to create a series of 5 videos, charge X amount of, say, $10 for that, and then just that series is unlocked. Right. Whereas YouTube and stuff is you subscribe for extra, and then like you also open all the past stuff that was like that.
So it is a little different.
It's
TikTok
like
should do that.
A movie on Google Play Movies or on Apple TV, basically.
Yeah.
You're buying a digital product that only you have access to.
It would have to be a really great video.
Yeah.
For an individual video.
Well, that's why it's there. I don't think they want it to be individual. They want it to be multiple videos.
Yeah, ideally it's multiple videos.
That's like harder. If TikTok did like YouTube subscriptions, I think it would make perfect sense and allow 20-minute videos in there, because then it can be like, I'm going to make my regular TikToks that got me popular, but I can also make some 20-minute deeper dives. Or if you could do paywall live streams, where you could do paywall long Q&As that are 20 minutes, and then whenever you subscribe for that month, the creator gets, that seems perfect. It's like the Patreon model, right?
Yeah, I think like the cooking example that I said before, I think that could really work, because you could do one TikTok video where like we're making pad Thai. I have a whole collection of like Thai food videos that you can pay for.
I was just going to say about like travel. You could do like one TikTok to be like, I'm going to Colombia next week, and then 90 videos about like the cool things to do there. And you just buy that series.
I would argue you'd be better off making the TikTok that makes you popular and the YouTube long version of that.
Well, I would argue you should just go on YouTube, period.
I mean,
Yeah.
I guess they're trying to figure out a way to maximize the revenue that creators can make, which is like if I was going to pay
I get that. I totally get that.
Because most people don't subscribe to TikTok.
Yeah.
Remember, it's like usually For You page stuff for most people. So paying to subscribe to a user might actually not feel as at home on TikTok.
I think it feels more at home than doing weird charged like video on demand things.
I mean, we're
like
about
to pay
find
for
out.
a one-time. Yeah, I feel like if they went the YouTube subscription series or Patreon method or whatever, like that would make so much more sense.
It's just that like you would be surprised at how many people will pay for people's courses on things that
Instructional.
there's unlimited information about that thing on YouTube already, but people still pay for instructional courses.
Yeah, like that guy Marquez Brownlee. He has like a
Well,
whole
it's
course.
usually then tied to like trust of that particular instructor.
Right.
So,
and that
yeah.
platform where I just like TikTok feels like not the same place.
Yeah.
I just feel like the other one feels way more TikTok-y and creator based than like this.
Yeah, TikTok doesn't feel like a place I would go to pay for content.
Pay for
general.
specific content,
Yeah.
not even just like extra content.
Yeah, I mean, it's cool that it's an option, and I'm glad TikTok is thinking about ways to diversify a little bit in that way and offer it at least. And maybe somebody takes advantage of it and it looks really cool and people get ideas from it.
I think that's why I think it would be amazing if they did it the other way.
You may be underestimating the power of parasocial relationships.
I think you're overestimating. I feel like it feels less parasocial relationship if I buy a person's specific video rather than get like to open the curtain behind the scenes of
Remember,
like extra
OnlyFans
videos
exists.
that they will make. I think that's a different.
That is
I think
people
it's-
paying for individual pieces of content because of the parasocial relationship.
Oh, that is individual pieces of content, huh?
Yeah, yeah.
I think it's
subscription
a
or both.
tougher. There's like a lot of different things going on there that
Yeah.
are a tad different.
They're
Whereas
really
like
different.
Like I think a perfect example is we've done member only live streams, right? Like that to me feels like now once a month I get this live stream where I am in a smaller category of people and a better chance to get in contact with this person.
Engagement.
That is primo parasocial relationship. Whereas if I'm just buying an already created video that I just only get to open those 5 of them feels like
Maybe
almost like
someone-
another step away from parasocial. I don't know.
Maybe someone
think
gets
it feels
creative and like offers custom videos on TikTok that you pay for before, or you like ask to be made and then pay to unlock. You know, they can get creative with it.
That's
It
true.
might not just be here's a pack. Does anybody want to buy it? It might just be, hey, does anybody want to see a video on a certain set of things? Oh, okay. Yeah, you're interested. Okay, I'll make it. It's here for you to unlock whenever. That type of thing. I don't know. We'll see. People get creative with it. But
I do think it's funny that instead of just trying to figure out how to monetize TikTok with advertising, the way that YouTube Shorts is trying to do it, TikTok is like, yeah, the creator fund isn't really working. Can we figure out a way for the audience to pay for it instead of actually just trying to figure out an actual ad model?
I do think it's like, especially 100% revenue, like basically is agreeing, hey, we're making plenty of money by ourselves
He
through
also
our
said
own
for
ads.
now, though.
Yeah,
So
true. I
think we're gonna
like
test how successful it is.
I like the Patreon model. It lets smaller creators be able to turn things into a living because if you do have the super loyal base, getting that extra
1,000 true followers, basically.
exactly, yeah, like that's incredible. This is, yeah.
Yeah, but this
I
is
think it
almost
should
like
go
the
that model.
opposite of
That's why I
1,000
think
true
it's weird.
followers.
That's why I think it's weird.
It's like you'll just find one follower every 5 minutes forever instead of 1,000 right now forever.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I don't know how much people stan each other on TikTok. You know what I mean?
yeah, that is the other thing. There is a pretty notorious drop off in how connected you feel based on the platform. Like when people follow each other on Instagram versus YouTube versus even something like Twitter or Patreon where you feel more connected. And then on TikTok, you're just sort of like scrolling people you don't know most of
Right.
the time. So I feel like that does make it that's a new wrench in the dynamic
Yeah.
of like how do you monetize this?
I'm effectively a boomer because I don't even have TikTok, so I don't really understand the parasocial relationship on there. And I mean, I have Instagram Reels, so I basically have TikTok. But
That's the most boomer thing you could have said is, I don't like this newfangled thing, but I do like watching it 2 weeks
well, no,
later.
I don't like watching it. I don't like watching it. It's just forced upon me. you
Yeah.
know? I'm just saying, yeah, I don't know. I'm not really sure the level of parasocial relationship that happens on TikTok. I would bet that there are some people that are insanely obsessed with some of the creators on TikTok.
Yeah,
Totally.
Most of the
So-
best examples of successful TikTok creators that I've seen have turned it into a following on a different platform.
Yeah.
So that says
This
something
is
about
true.
TikTok.
This is true. Yeah. So I don't know. I guess we'll see. I mean, they like they said they're taking 100% of they're giving 100% of the revenue for now. That's
great.
To me, that says we're gonna see how this actually plays out.
That's
if
a
it ends up being
carrot.
successful, we take 30%.
Yeah.
like that.
All right, this is a Clips outro. We're recording this now because we can't record anything else because there's this noise,
Dying well.
some construction noise. It's probably a drill, but it also kind of sounds like a whale trying not to cry. It's like it sounds like a squeaky wheel on a really large vehicle driving 2 miles an hour past our window.
Non-stop. We've been sitting here for like 15 minutes trying to record this episode, and this is what we get to deal with.
It sounds like the air is slowly being let out of a 300
Beached
foot
whale.
balloon.
A beached whale's lungs collapsing on the sand. This is awesome.
Oh, that was really close.
Yeah,
I was like, did you stop or did it keep?
who's got perfect pitch? What note is this?
G.
F is for
Friends
who?
do
Stuff.
together.
U
Is
for
you.
I think it's an
and
A.
Me,
Thanks, Alice.
and
is for
anyone,
or
any
thing.
time at all. Down here.
Like and subscribe to put us out of our misery.